Chris here at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today I've got to preview to you guys a new Ford Transit Custom. This one is registered this year 2025. It is the 170 horsepower limited automatic 5-seat crew van. As you can see, it's finished in grey matter. Very popular colour on these new Transit Customs. It's had our MASV style pack, which are the gloss black canards, lower gloss black splitter, gloss black badging, it's got the 20-inch Velare gloss black alloys, gloss black mirrors, now these limited models come with a very high specification, so front and rear park sensors, park camera, wireless Apple CarPlay, air conditioning, heated seats, etc. Keyless entry, keyless start, LED headlights, rear privacy glass on the twin side loading doors. Smoked rear tail light clusters and the badging as well. There you go. And this lovely gloss black roof spoiler. Now this one's got what we call the twin barn doors. Come with the solid bulkhead behind the rear bench seat. It's a 5-seater version. I'll show you in the cabin shortly. It's got the twin captain seats in the front. Just unback and it's got the gloss black rear splitter as well. Really neat. Probably one of the highest specification vehicles on the market today, these new Customs. It's got the 13.5-inch infotainment screen, digital dashboard, got a column automatic gear change, as I say, 2 captain seats with armrests in the front, plenty of storage. Your rear bench. Carpeted as well. Auto headlights, push button start, there you go, lovely digital dashboard, infotainment screen.
Nice radio voice, that. I've got one. Yeah, you can do it when you try. I haven't even got it in me. Real shame, can't it?
It's lovely flat bottom leather steering wheel. All your cruise control and audio controls all built into there. It's got the Type-C USB. Folding wing mirrors, heated mirrors. Show you the seats from this side. As I say, this one is the 170 PS, so that's the highest engine output they do on these Transit Customs. They do a 136, but the 170 is the best combination for the automatic gearbox, we believe. Comes with the remainder of manufacturer's warranty. This one was registered on the 31st of January this year. Available for immediate delivery. Part exchange welcome, all usual dealer facilities, funding methods, etc. We'll be live on our website very shortly, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. As I say, my name is Chris. You can contact me on 07888 989877. All the specification will be on the website, but if you do require any further information, please contact me. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.